This is Napoleon. He's one of my best buddies on the homestead. Him and Josephine are nesting again this year. Normally he's a really chill, fun guy, but he's a little bit tense right now and does something a little crazy. And this is Napoleon. We were kind of worried he was going to hurt himself, but he doesn't seem to be. He's just fighting with himself because he sees his reflection and thinks it's a rival male. I can't wait till the babies are born so he stops this. You can see him there watching the window and watching his own reflection. Getting all feisty.